So guys, welcome back again with our Python basic course. So today module is control structures. So in this module, I am going to cover how we define the if-else functions and the else if, and also how we define the loop in like for loop and a while loop. So let's go to the video, and first we are going to see how we can implement the if. So in this topic, we are going to talk about what is the if-else conditions. So in here, I have some code here, which is generate using if-else. So they have a variable which is named called age. So I pass this value, 10 value to this age. Now age is 10. So if I want to check whether it is greater than or less than 18. So we are going to implement like this. So if the age value is greater than or equal to 18, it's mean this, if 10 is greater than or equal to 18. So if it is true, so print this line. If it is not true, mean it is not greater than or equal to 18. If it is less than or equal to 18, so it will print this line. So let's run this program, and you can see here you are a child because it is not greater than or equal to 18. What happens when we give the value 20 and run this one? So you can see here you are an adult. So now what we want to check whether it is greater than or equal to 5 and less than or equal to 18. How we check that? So we are using else if for that. Just else if, and check the age which is greater than or equal to 5. And if it is true, so print you are a minor. So right, you are a minor. So here, now if we run this one, no, I'm going to change the value as 10. Now if we run this one, its answer is you are a minor. So that's why, because the age is greater than or equal to 5, it is 10 because you are a minor. What happened? We are change this value to number 5. So when we run this one now, it is still you are a minor. What happened when we are change this value, removing these equal signs? So it is now age is greater than 5. So now what will be the answer? So let's check it out. Now you can see you are a child. Because the 5 is not equal to 5, it will recognize as a 5 is less than this age. Age is less than this 5. That's why it's print you are a child. So if we add this equal sign, so if we recognize as a 5 is also the greater than or equal. So then you are a minor, right? So that's all for the basic if else else if conditions. So in the next topic, we are going to talk about the for loops and a while loop. So guys, now in this topic, I am going to tell you how we can work with for loop and how we can define the for loop. So this is a basic for loop in here, and you can see here for I in range of 5, print I. So the answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How it is happened. So why it is start with 0? Because I is now 0. So if I is 0 now, print I. So the result is 0. And run first time is or. Now if we run first time is the loop, so it will print 0. So we have to run now second time. So we are running second time now, and the result is 1. So now I is 1. So if we run again this one, and third time now I is number 2. So if we run again with this a fourth time, so now I value is number 3. So if we run again, so 5 times, so now the result is I is number 4. I is equal to 4, right? Alright. So that's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it is run 5 times. This code mean is I is 0 in range of 5, this loop need to be run 5 times and print I each times. So first time it will print 0, second time it will print 1, third time it will print 2, and the fourth time it will print number 3, and the fifth time it will print number 4. So that's how for loop work in Python. So we are taught more about this for loop in the upcoming lessons like arrays, tuples, and the list. So now now we are going to talk about the while loop. So they have some basic code. I will explain this code to you. First, we have to run this code and see what is the output of this code. So we are going to run this one. So you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how is happened? So here you can see I variable is assigned to as a 0. So while I is less than 10, if it is true, so now I is a 0. So that's why it's 0 print there. So in this line, it will tell like this. So I is equal to I plus 1. So now I value is a 0. So 0 plus 1 is I is now number 1. So here this is I equal I plus 1, right? So now 0. So now I is number 1. So this is now number 1. So number 1, now I is number 1 is less than 10. Yeah, it is true. So print I. So now it is print number 1. And again, now I is I equal, now I is number 1 and it is plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is now number is 2. I is number 2. So this one is now number 2. So 2 is less than 10. Yes. So then print, then number 2. And again, it will come to this, and I is equal, now I is number 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is number 3. So now I is number 3. Right? That's how this code generate numbers like this. So it will generate number 9. So now we are thinking I is number 9 now, right? So what will be what happened? So I is number 9 now. So 9 is less than 10. Yes, it is less than 10. So print number 9. So it will print number 9. So now again in here, I is equal to 9 plus 1. So now I value is 10, right? So now this value is 10. So 10 is less than 10. No, right? It is equal. So that's why it is false. So then do not print anything. So it will close the program. So that's why it is stopped with 9. What happened? We changed this one as I is equal to 10. So equal to I is equal to 10. So it will now it will print number 10 also there. So we are going to see it 0. And if I run this one now, so you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's how basic while loops are worked. So I hope you understand it. So if you have any doubt about this while loop, so you can comment down below. So see you guys in the next module. Our next module is our next module is functions. So we are going to call about the define the function, how to call in the function, and how to use the parameters, right? So see you guys in the next module. subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment down below if you have any doubt. So see you guys.